Whether you are aware of it or not, you encounter and use products every single day, proudly made by AMS. That's because for over 35 years, we have designed, built, and manufactured a diversified portfolio of components that ship globally. We create a custom manufacturing experience based on each client's unique needs to produce the highest quality products on the market, used in everyday life. Our corporate office is based in San Diego, California, and our manufacturing operations are based in Tijuana, Mexico, and currently house a team of over 300 people that operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The production facility features over 75,000 square feet of manufacturing space, including 4,000 square feet of medical white room manufacturing and assembly space. We excel at the entire manufacturing experience, from the infant stages of design through mass production. At AMS, we value teamwork and holding each other accountable. This leads to performing at a high level that is reflected in our product quality and safety practices that allow our teams to execute consistently. We offer state-of-the-art injection molding presses, ranging in size from 50 tons all the way to 1,000 tons, setting us apart from our competitors. We also provide expertise through scientific molding, where our team members hold RJG Moldmaster 1 and 2 certifications. AMS has long-standing relationships for tool design and construction partnerships, both domestically and globally. We simultaneously feature an in-house tool room for spare parts, repairs, and preventative maintenance. When using external partners, our engineers are on-site for trials to guarantee the success of the tool build. We specialize in value-added partnerships in our at-the-press and full pack-out assembly lines and a variety of different techniques used for part decorating. Our in-house metrology lab makes sure that these repetitive processes are of the highest quality by using the latest technologies and procedures in line with a variety of qualifications, including IQ, OQ, PQ, up to Level 5 PPAP, and First Article Inspection reports. We are very proud that our facility is both ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 certified. To keep production working smoothly, our operations team uses real-time production monitoring that is tracked through our ERP system, IQMS. This company-wide integrated system enables us to plan efficiently and trace all material from resin pellet to finished good. Our competitive advantage is utilized with a variety of warehouse programs, such as vendor-managed inventory, Kanban, just-in-time, and returnable packaging options to meet every possible client need.
We continuously strive to improve our organization into a premier custom manufacturer that serves and supports our existing clients globally while simultaneously developing new client partnerships.
We do this by investing in the efficiency and expertise of our staff and services as a part of our company's innovative spirit to better serve the needs of our clients.
The AMS culture is built on the principle of mentorship, where legacy employees develop the next generation. We believe that combining the proven success of experience with new enthusiasm and fresh ideas makes for better products, while growing employees helps families and communities thrive. From the manufacturing plant floor to the corporate office, you will often hear team members say, "Juntos podemos," which means together we can. This is reflected in how our staff team partners with our clients. Our AMS team is standing by with decades of proven success and helpful experts to learn and share your specific goals. We look forward to working together. Juntos podemos!